Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are here at the King of Prussia Mall in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and we are at the Bluey Camp. And just a little bit of information. This is considered the Philadelphia Bluey Camp. King of Prussia is not far at all from the city. So yes, this is the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania Bluey Camp location. Okay, so before we get into any more details, I'm gonna tell one of my husband's secrets. He did not like Bluey when it first came out and he first saw it. Couldn't stand it. Now he loves it, and sometimes I think he actually loves it more than our kids do.
1, 2, 3. And last but not least is Bluey.
I told you guys my husband's secret about his hatred and then absolute love for Bluey now. Mine is I enjoyed the Bluey house just as much as the kids. It was really cool. The attention to detail was amazing. They didn't miss anything.
Oh, there's, you can watch Bluey.
Imagine that. Try it. Look.
That's what you're gonna do?
There's more rooms too.
The hands are shaking.
There's another one over there.
You're sneaky granny?
Ticket prices vary. Be sure to check out the website. Weekdays are usually cheaper,
Here
but
come the
always
grannies.
check different days of the week and different times, and look out for specials. They do offer sensory friendly times to go, and they will have lower lights. It's not as bright, and the music will not be as loud or playing at all, and they said they will have more camp counselors available. So there is a sensory friendly option, which is great. Also, the tickets are timed and the experience is timed. You have about 40 minutes once you get into Bluey and Bingo's house. And I should add, that doesn't include meeting Bluey and Bingo. The 40 minutes is 40 minutes of free play in the house before you find Bluey and Bingo at the end. And tickets are limited for each time slot, so it won't be overly crowded no matter what time that you choose to go. There might be some overlapping a little bit, but not much at all.
Wait, this is also it's like Bluey
And Pavlova.
There you go. Oh, it looks like spaghetti. Yeah.
Oh, they did a good job, didn't they? Oh, yeah?
And then Safina drawn this to me, Mama.
You will not find Bluey and Bingo's bathrooms at this house. It didn't occur to me when we were there. I assume this is the same for the other Bluey camps, but just a little fact that I thought of as I was making this video. But instead of bathrooms, you will find two sections that are just an imaginary play. One is a pillow fort blanket type little play area with the slide, and the other one that you'll see in just a few minutes is out of cardboard boxes, and it also has a slide. So I think that's a good replacement to the bathrooms. A little detail about parking at the Philadelphia location. Remember I said it is at the King of Prussia Mall, so parking is free, but you are parking in the mall parking lot. We parked near Macy's. That's where we personally parked. If you want to make a day or an afternoon of it, then it doesn't matter where you park. So that's a nice little perk. They have two food courts. One is on the other end, but not too far at all. You might pass it depending on where you park. There is a food court right by Bluey Camp. They are located also near Glitter and Glam and Tempur-Pedic. So that is the area which they are on the upper level. Some other important but not so fun details are tickets are non-refundable. They do allow you to reschedule, but it needs to be, I think the website said 2 hours in advance, so double check that. Also, they ask that you arrive 15 minutes before your time. Now, if your ticket is for a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, they ask that you arrive ahead of time, 30 minutes before your scheduled time. Anyone who is 2 years of age or older, they do require a ticket. Now, like I mentioned, we were there for a sensory-friendly time slot. If we were there for a regular time slot, things might have been a little different. They might have offered games, music been playing, brighter lights, it said. So check out what they offer for time slots that are not sensory friendly. For times that are not sensory friendly, you might see a few more people. I think it said it's about 25 guests per camp counselor. Strollers are not allowed at Bluey Camp. You can take them and leave them in the gift shop, but there is no one to watch that stroller for you. It's basically an at your own risk type of scenario.
Not in there. There's nothing there, but there's a green drawer. Maybe he said green drawer and I just misheard him. Should I try the drawer? There's a drawer behind. Alrighty, campers, I need you to please stay with your grown-ups and we are going to enter.
And for some kids, it might be the most exciting part, and others, not at all the most exciting part. But in the end, it is the end of hide and seek, and we finally find Bluey and Bingo.
Bluey and Bingo, like high fives and gentle hugs, friends. And if we want to line up behind the benches, you all have photo opportunities.
Stay right here. Stay right here.
Have you guys seen here next to the post? Okay. That's okay.
Hi, Bluey. Oh.
Good job. He said hi while we were sitting there.
High five? High five? No? Okay.
Yeah, they were hiding back there cheating. They're not in the house. That's kind of cheating. They're hide and seek.
Oh my god.
It is so colorful. Is that the nail salon stump?
Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.